Or something that you've worn before. Oh, I had to sneeze. Okay, so yeah, if you're using denim or any
take to Vegas with me, because it might be good for if I've got sunburn, is all I'm thinking. But it's not. It's definitely not something that I'm gonna. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Okay. It's definitely not something.
Earrings. They were $6.80 as well. I love feathery earrings. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I don't know how to edit, otherwise I'd edit that out. Excuse me. Okay.
Hey, my dog is trying to get it. But God bless you.
Not had 5. I'm gonna sneeze.
A waterproof liner. Gonna use a waterproof liner.
Ja, also der war auch letztes Mal, glaube ich, ziemlich super schnell ausverkauft. Auf der Seite, ich muss niesen. Entschuldigung. Der war super schnell ausverkauft auf der Seite. Der war super schnell ausverkauft auf...
Is your...
Talk about that in a separate video about what shades go with what different skin tones. Bless ya.
Ja.
Yeah, and so that's blushes, and blushes is really...
Ailey's. Last week it was yawning and now it's sneezing. My body